Hi, my name is Victor from ViBO Music School. Sometimes people ask, what's the difference between violin and fiddle? Well, there's not much difference, honestly. Both terms refer to this four-string instrument. Fiddling tends to produce more rhythmic music for dancing. And also the styles of fiddling are different from place to place. Let's start from Europe and listen to this English fiddle tune called the Red Tricycle. There are lots of great fiddle tunes from Americas. Here's an old-time fiddle tune from the United States called Josie Girl. Now going to the other part of Americas, here's my favorite Mexican fiddle tune called Over the Waves. There are many other regions of the world that has their own style of fiddling. If I must distinguish the difference between violin and fiddles, I would say it's the styles of music play.